Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our lesson today is about evaporation and condensation. We will learn about the evaporation and condensation, how water is recycled in nature, how to remove insoluble solids from a liquid. When you heat a liquid, it will eventually become a gas. We call this evaporation. If the particles that make up the liquid have enough energy, they escape from the liquid surface. Now, condensation is when we cool a gas. The energy in the particles decreases and slow down. When the gas is cool enough, some particles clump together and form drops. This is when liquid starts to form. At this point, we say that the gas is condensing. Water cycle. Nature's water cycle. In nature, water is constantly recycled. We call this water cycle, and it has many stages like evaporation and condensation. Now let's talk about changing the state of water. When a liquid boils, it changes its state to a gas. Water boils at a boiling point of 100 Celsius. When ice melts and turns into liquid water, it is at its melting point. Ice melts at the same temperature as water freezes, which is at 0 Celsius. Making and separating mixtures. You know, the materials that dissolve in water are described as soluble. The mixture of dissolved material and water is called solution. Materials that do not dissolve in water are described insoluble. And we can use many techniques to separate mixtures from each other. Let's talk about filtration. The soluble material passes through filter paper in the filter funnel. The flask collects the liquid, and the insoluble bits stay left in the filter paper. The other technique is sieving, and we use them to separate solids from solids or solids from liquids. So, thank you for being with me. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.